Nos tour também para druk com o trabalho e com coisas de casa, como também, mas queda pendente com a tecnologia moderna.
I have 3 teenage girls, and it is the best part of my life. But I also know how hard it can be sometimes to get kids to talk about their feelings.
Segundo estudio que aborda assim para CDC de América, a reparar que quase 77% de maiores ta pensa que a yiunanan sempre tem apoio social e emocional com a ser, pero solamente 28% de hoben estava de acordo com a frase aqui.
Close emotional relationships between parents and teens are associated with all kinds of long-term benefits. Improved mental and general health, less dangerous behavior like substance abuse. Maybe ask teens for their internal weather report or what weather pattern best reflects how they feel at the time. You can also ask them what song or movie describes their mood. Maybe ask about the high and low points of their day.
Ora vou conectar com o yiunanan, está recomendável para escutar hobby bom do qual anda compartir cubo, puntra mais tocante tema e está interessado em tema. Tá é persona que não te confia.
The goal here is to build a safe and supportive space where people can be vulnerable. So do respect any boundaries and be patient.
With Fabiola Angela Hernandez, Patria Noticia.